back to Abby's How To. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make colourful princess cupcakes. I'm going to be showing you how to make it. There's going to be 2 stages for this. So, number 1, baking them, and number 2, decorating them. For these cupcakes you will need the following ingredients. 110 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 110 grams of flour, 110 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Let's get 12 cupcake cases and put them in the tray. 1.
A few moments later.
And 12. First, add the sugar and the butter in the bowl and oh, that's a big one. To pour the eggs into the bowl. Woo! And mix them with the butter and sugar. Just all mixed up and put a little bit of vanilla. And the next step, I'm going to get the flour and pour it into the whatever it's called. Mix. Sorry guys, I can't remember what that was called. Keep adding some milk until it gets all ready. It's gonna be really tasty, guys. Yeah, I tried a little bit. It's very yummy. Yummy? One bit. You know your mix is ready when it drops off the whisk like this. I'm going to go ahead and fill them up. As you can see, I've done these, and I'm going to ask my daddy to put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. 180 degrees. And you're going to put them in the oven. So now we're on stage 2, decorating the cupcake. For this part, you can get your own icing or make your own icing. I just brought mine, it's easy. Now I'm going to show you what icing and decorations I brought. So the first thing, that was like 10 years ago we got that, but anyway, yeah. Now I decided to get these silver edible balls, but they've got chocolate inside, they're not real balls. Some edible shimmer glitter, some red icing, but is it going to look red? I think it's going to look red. And some icing pens. They're super handy. You don't have to do it with only the icing. You can do it with the icing pins. And last and not least, I got these special edible princess toppings. They look so nice, don't they? As you can see, Daddy took them out of the oven, but we're going to wait for 10 minutes to let them cool down. So I'm going to go on the couch and sit down and watch telly. Bye-bye, Here are the cupcakes, and I got the icing and sprinkles and things. So I'm going to make some designs and see what I'm up to. So yeah. And don't forget, I'm going to add the Disney Princess toppings. Guys, you might see my daddy's hand because he's going to help me. It won't. Oh, Daddy, you've got Jasmine. Daddy, I'm going to do a different one. So, could you pass me my, thing? My one? Can you pass my rudder, please, Daddy? Stick it on. Spring, please. And the heads. I like this day when we're making the cupcakes. There you go. Daddy, you can do some if you want. And a princess as well. Daddy, can you pass me a princess? You can hunt this. One more cake to go. Can you guess what princess is going to be? Did you guess who it was? It was Cinderella. I finished the princess cupcake, guys, and I'm going to tell you what princesses I have in here. So this is Anna, this is Elsa, this is Merida, and this is Belle, and this is Rapunzel, and Snow White, and Ariel, and Jasmine, and Mulan, and Tiana, and Cinderella, and Pocahontas. Tell me in the comments below what's your favourite princess and what's your favourite cupcake. My favourite cupcake and my favourite princess is Belle. I hope you enjoyed watching and I hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget the thumbs up and click subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!